Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the iCarsoft POR version 1.0 kit, and in particularly the auto scan function and why the auto scan function is a really good option to have on this particular vehicle. This particular kit. First of all, the POR version 1.0 kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So as you can see, we have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port here because it's lit up, and we're in a 2013 Porsche Cayenne, which does appear to have a few problems on screen here. So let's say you're not very experienced with using these diagnostic tools and you know what these warning lights mean. I mean, me personally, I've got quite a bit of experience with what all of these warning lights mean and exactly how to use this tool. But obviously there will be people who, you know, will just buy one of these tools and not really know where to go to find the specific fault with regards to what these warning lights are. So that's why the auto scan function and feature is a great little feature, and I'll show you this working right now. So we're going to click into Diagnostics, which is the top left option on the screen here, and we're going to select our vehicle. So we'll just go through the motion of selecting our vehicle. So it's a Cayenne 928 from 2011 onwards, so we'll select enter. Now this is diagnosis mode, so you've got two options here. You've got scan mode or you've got manual mode. Manual mode allows you to go in and diagnose a specific system. So if you know there's a fault in a specific system of the vehicle, then you can just quickly go and diagnose that one individual system. Let's say, for example, you don't know which system the fault is in. Click on Smart Scan, click enter, and what the tool will do, and you can see it's doing it now, is it will scan through all of the systems within the vehicle that it can actually gain access to. Once it's done that, it will bring you back a full report on the full vehicle, which gives you an indication of where the faults actually may be. So it should take a minute or two to go through. There we go. Now it's telling us here that it's got system lists 21, so we've rattled it down from 40 odd down to 21 systems. Now that doesn't mean there's faults in the 21 systems. What that actually means is this tool can communicate with 21 of the systems within this vehicle. So it's just really a case of finding the system which these faults apply to. Now it's not the engine, it's not the Tiptronic transmission, stability management. You can see this little icon here, that is the stability or the traction control warning. So we believe the fault is going to be in that system there, PSM. What we've been getting here is a few faults. I'm not sure how well we can see those fault messages, if there's anywhere to show us. No. Okay, in any case, we're going to click on to enter PSM in diagnosis, click on to read DTCs, and it's giving us two faults here: front left RPM sensor and front left speed sensor. So that is a fault that we do know about in this car actually. We're waiting for an ABS sensor to arrive, but that's just really a case of fitting that, and then once we've fitted that, we can erase the codes and erase the warning lights on the screen here. But that is basically showing you how to get access to, because what I was going to, the other way to do it is if I was to click on manual, and let's say we can go down and click on any other system. Let's say, I don't know, a system which may not be installed to this car, like trailer hitch. If we click on that, we're getting a link error because there is no trailer installed or there is no tow bar installed to this vehicle. So that's what will happen if the system isn't actually installed to your vehicle. So using the Smart Scan will automatically whittle it down to the systems which are installed to your vehicle, and then from that list you can actually diagnose the fault at hand. But as I say, that's the iCarsoft POR version 1.0 kit. It is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.